5 Best Portable Generators. Here is the product number 5. 8 kW Inverter Portable Gasoline Engine Generator. Speed, 1500/1800 RPM. Output type, AC 3-phase. Rated current, 14.4A. Rated power, 8 kW. Rated voltage, 110/120 volt, 220/230 volt, 380/400 volt. Model number, HQ8QF. Here is the product number 4. Japanese popular 1 kW portable gasoline generator all-in-one. Rated voltage, 110/120 volt, 220/230 V, 380/400 volts. Speed, 5300 RPM. Model number, HQ1QF. Rated power, 1 kW. Rated current, 4A. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. Output type, AC single phase. Here is the product number 4. Small digital variable frequency generator portable gasoline generator. Brand name, Musksi. Output type, AC single phase. Frequency, 50 Hz. Rated power, 1500 watts. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Model number, MT1800i. Speed, 5500 revolutions per minute. Product number, FL1730. Here is the product number 2. 3.5 kW electric and remote start inverter generator. Output type, AC single phase. Rated power, 3.0 kW. Rated current, 12 volts/4.0A. Rated voltage, 100 volts, 110 volts, 120 volts, 230 volts, 240 volts. Frequency, 50/60 Hz. Here is the product number 1. 800W Portable Silent Camping Gasoline Power Inverter Generator Set. Latest version 800 watts inverter generator is an efficient power source in a compact, robust, and economical package. It is lighter than most generators on the market, making it much easier to be carried around. Engine has superior fuel efficiency and emits significantly less carbon and noise than most of the two-strokes. 100% pure sine wave, same as household supply. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.